In vicinity of Kazan there is a village named Kurlai. Their course in the mountains when cooks not cry. Not the born was I in Kurlai, but I sat there for a while. Hard at work with harrowing sewing capstic all the time. I remember pickled forest by the village like a wall. I remember field and lawn, soft as velvet in the down. Would you fix that village big? No, my dear, not at all. There's fresh water tank from the church spring hole. Isn't cold or hot, it's a comfortable there. One raspberry, strawberry, pine resin years long. In a blink of eye you pale, will be fit with their lot. Fascinating land, bunches trees like the garden stay alert. Often used to rest being on them, turning powerful twice more. Here rose I sing mushrooms, sorrel buds of flowers blossom. And the virtuous pine tree hang been obsessed close to them. Touchable mare's hair, from the blooming fragrances, colored blue and colored yellow, variegated red, white, lilac. And so much the butterflies are making cleverly to bloom, flying, taking off and coming, fed with nectar as they all. All in one place here as they are, set the orchestra and ballad, concert, circle, boulevard, all that makes you ever jolly. Huge is hunting his troops like the judge with thousand heads, endless water starting there, its ocean rising waves. Есть аул вблизи Казани по названию Кырлай. Даже куры в том Кырлае петь умеют. Дивный край. Хоть я родом не оттуда, но любовь к нему хранил. На земле его работал, сеял, жал и боронил. Он слывет большим аулом. Нет, напротив, невелик, а река — народа гордость, просто маленький родник. Эта сторона лесная вечно в памяти жива. Бархатистым одеялом расстилается трава. Так, там ни холода, ни зноя никогда не знал народ. В свой черед подует ветер, в свой черед и дождь пойдет. От малины земляники все в лесу пестрым пестро. Набираешь миг единый, ягод полное ведро. Часто на траве лежал и глядел на небеса. Грозной ратью мне казались беспредельные леса. Точно воины стояли, сосны, липы и дуби, по сосной щавели мята, под березу и грибы.